Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on Chrome. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. This allows you to run mobile games and applications directly on your desktop. Popular and reliable options include BlueStacks and LD Player. Before downloading, always check that your computer meets the emulator's minimum system requirements for smooth performance. Once you have chosen an emulator, navigate to its official website and download the installer file. It is crucial to download from the official source to avoid any security risks. Run the downloaded file and carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. This process typically takes only a few minutes. After installation, you might be prompted to restart your computer. Please do so for optimal setup. With your emulator successfully installed, launch it from your desktop. The first step inside the emulator is to sign in with your Google account, which is necessary to access the App Store. Once logged in, locate the search bar within the emulator's interface and type Brawl Stars. Find the official game listing and proceed to install it, mirroring the process on a smartphone or tablet. To enhance your gaming, delve into the emulator's settings. Here, you can fine-tune graphics and performance options to suit your computer's capabilities, ensuring a smooth experience. Crucially, set up custom keyboard controls for movement and actions. This offers far greater precision than touch controls. Now, you are ready to enjoy Brawl Stars on a significantly larger screen, offering a new perspective on your favorite brawlers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.